Today we're making a delicious seasonal burger with a little spring twist. A crispy chicken burger with purple asparagus, creamy hollandaise sauce, fresh green salad, and crispy purple sweet potatoes from the air fryer. First, I start with the purple sweet potatoes. After cutting them into wedges, I place them in cold water for about 20 minutes. This helps remove some of the starch and is an important step to make them crispier later. After soaking, I drain the sweet potatoes and dry them really well. Then I season them with starch, oil, salt, pepper, and spices. Now they go straight into the air fryer until they are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. While the sweet potatoes are cooking, I prepare the asparagus. I wash the long asparagus spears, peel the lower part, and break off the woody ends. I fry the asparagus in a pan with a little oil and seasoning until it gets some beautiful color and extra flavor. It should stay firm, keep its shape, and still have a nice bite. Then I cook the asparagus in a little water for just a few minutes. Now it's time for the crispy chicken patties. I place them in the air fryer and bake them until they are golden, hot, and crispy. I turn them halfway through so they brown evenly on both sides and place the cheddar cheese for the last minutes. And that's it. A crispy asparagus chicken burger with hollandaise sauce, fresh salad, and crunchy purple sweet potatoes from the air fryer. It's creamy, crispy, fresh, and perfect for asparagus season. Want to support me? Then give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks, and see you next time at Let's Do Cooking.